Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Davinci here with a hairstyling video. In today's video, I showed you guys how I did these individuals in my lace front wig. I've never, put braids like this in my wig, but I saw the Clermont twins do it and I was like, that's so cute, I have to do it. So this is my my attempt of putting box braids in my, or individuals in my wig. If you guys are interested in how I installed this wig, I'll link it in the card and in the description. And I also gave a tutorial maybe like a year or two ago, because this hair is 3 years old. This frontal is 3 years old. I did a video on how I made this wig and how I colored this wig. So if you're interested in that too, I'll link it in the card and in the description. Just be sure to check out the description because it's always like filled up. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and let's start. So yeah, I'm filling individuals. I don't even know how they're gonna turn out. So I'm just parting the hair in the back. You definitely don't worry about things not being perfect, because you really don't need it being perfect, because this is a homemade wig and I have a black cap on. So the last thing we want is for someone to be like, oh my gosh, I see black cap. You know, like that's the last thing we want. But this one is kind of big, so this is my first time, so let's see what works. Like, these are low-key fat ass plaits, and you definitely have to braid all the way to the end. Today has literally been such a long day. The last video that you guys just seen me upload was my dad's surprise party, and today's the next day of the surprise party, and I'm so tired. I'm happy to not have a hangover. I've realized that as I've gotten older, I've learned how to manage drinking. So I have to definitely eat before drinking. I have to eat during drinking. I have to drink water. Is it gonna unravel? It's totally unraveling. So when we get to the bottom, we gotta like really get in there. Let's see, do I have some wax anywhere around here? I'm gonna go in with my braiding wax and add it so it can stay. But yeah, with drinking, I learned that I have to drink water in the middle of drinking, after drinking, gotta eat. In the middle of the night, like when I wake up, pee, drink a lot of water in the middle of the night, pee, and yeah, you should be good. Yeah, y'all, me and drinking, it's just not worth it, because I do breastfeed, so I have like a ton of milk stored in the freezer, you know, for like rainy days, because you can still have fun and breastfeed. Like, I don't want you to feel like you're a prisoner, or you know, but for that day you can't breastfeed your child. Yeah, when I finally, like, you know, put her back on the boob after, you know, all the time has passed with the alcohol. And they even have alcohol strips, by the way, guys, to test your milk. But yeah, y'all, these are low-key fat plaits. So when I get to the bottom, I kind of go in with my braiding wax, because without it, it kind of unravels. It doesn't kind of unravel, it unravels. And I actually want to do some like swooshing of baby hairs and stuff. So now we just keep on going, and this feel like it's gonna take forever. Baby hairs are out. Well, we have more than baby hairs out, so we got a lot. When you do little hair tutorials like this, you just got to be trusting the process. This Louis got me feeling like a baddie. This Gucci got me feeling like a baddie.